I bought these electric corkscrews so that I can tell you how they work and the differences between the two. So let's get into it. This is the Circle Joy stainless steel rechargeable wine 6-in-1 gift set, and I have it right here. So I bought it because I like wine, and honestly, I had a really sad wine opener. So that's why I got this. All right, so let me kind of go over what we have. And yes, I do have, of course, I do have my bottle of wine. So this is an aerator. I don't know if you can see that. You can pour it straight down in there. And for reds, having a little bit of air in it actually helps bring out the flavors. You have a foil cutter that's right here. This is a manual pump wine stopper. So as you can see, it opens up like this because there's a hole here on the bottom. You put it in and you basically, it's like vacuumed. So you're gonna receive 2 of those. And then of course you have your wine bottle opener. So let's go ahead. Oh, perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and let's try to use it. All right, so we have our foil cutter and we're just gonna put it on. Give her a little squeeze and turn. Comes right off. Love this. All right, so the way that this works, if you can see in here, that's where your actual corkscrew is. So you're gonna have this, which is the bottom one is going to have the corkscrew go down, and then this is going to lift it back up. So let's bring her down here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. And you know what? Let me see if I can't bring you up a little bit closer. All right, so you're a little bit closer now. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. And then, boom, done. All right, so my bottle of wine is there. It's opened. And then I'm just gonna press this, and it should give me the cork. Oh, it does. How cute is that? And there's my cork. So it is a little on the loud side, yes, but I like it. Okay, and then this, I'm gonna put it in and then press this, I think. Let me see, press in, press down. Oh, you pump it. You pump it to create the vacuum. Okay, cool. And that's how that stops. So overall, I like this gift set. I'm not going to pour this because I'm not ready to drink the wine just yet. This does come, it is rechargeable. And it comes with a USB to a USB-C. You probably have tons of these lying around. What it did not come with is a block. So if you do decide you're going to get this, you're going to need to get a block for yourself. But I have the salt and pepper shakers from Circle Joy, and I love them. So this is actually going to sit probably right next to it. So if you're looking for a gift set to go and give someone that likes wine, I think this is perfect for that. If you are looking for something that is going to be handy for yourself in the kitchen, why not? You deserve it. So yes, I highly recommend. This is the Circle Joy Black Warrior. So it's a 2-in-1 electric wine opener and preserver set. So this, really cool. Let's get into this. Okay, so I do have my bottle of wine. I like wine. Unfortunately, I have issues with corkscrews and they break on me. So that's why I got this. So let's actually take a look at what you're going to get in this set. So you are going to receive 2 of these, and these are basically like wine stoppers. That way they can preserve the wine that you have once the bottle's open. You're going to receive like an aerator that'll go in here, and when you pour, it'll go ahead and pour out into the cup, aerated. You have this, which is going to cut the foil, and we're actually going to use that. And then you have your corkscrew preserver. All right, so here's how this works. And I'm going to come over here so that you can see how it's going to work. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this. I'm going to put the top of it right here in this. And then I'm just going to give her a little squeeze. And then I'm just going to go ahead and turn my bottle of wine. Done. So that exposed the cork for us. We're going to put that back. And now check this out. I mean, is this not sleek? I like this. It's sexy. All right. So you have two different places that you can charge this at. The base itself will charge. You do receive a USB to a USB-C 3 that'll go in there. So you can charge it right here, or you can charge it from the base. Either one. Doth will be fine. So down here, if you press this, it's going to move it. It's going to go in and start go down into the cork. And then if you hit this, it's going to go the other way. So because of the nature of this, you're not going to really be able to see it. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, though. All right. I can feel it. I don't know if you can see it in there. Can you see that? My cork is all the way in there. See? All right, and then to take it out, there she is, right there. And then I'll put her back, and then this just goes, boop, just like that. And now it's nice and closed and preserved. So I like this set. I think that this is it's a good way to go and have something that's always going to reliably open up your bottles of wine. I like the fact that the footprint of the base itself is it's not really that big. So it's not going to take up that much room on your counter, because some of them do. This will not. And down here, I don't know if you can see in the back, these are my salt and pepper shakers, also from Circle Joy. So that's why I obviously had to get another Circle Joy, because I've had that now for a few years and it's reliable. So if you're looking for some kind of a set to go and get as a gift, or if you're looking for your own electric wine opener, then I highly recommend picking up this set.